Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials: mobile data enabled and sufficient battery. Open Settings, tap Connections to reach mobile hotspot controls. Once done, make sure airplane mode is off because it disables cellular. You're taking the first actionable step now. Locate mobile hotspot and tethering in that menu. Tap it to reveal options. This is where you enable the hotspot. Doing it this way ensures the phone can share internet and prevents wasting time toggling unrelated menus. Now configure the hotspot so devices can connect securely and reliably. Tap Configure or Set up Hotspot to name your network and pick WPA2 or WPA3 for encryption. You want privacy and compatibility. Enter a strong password so strangers can't use your data. Next, select the band 2, 4 GHz for range, 5 GHz for speed, and limit connections to control bandwidth. Once configured, save the settings. This prevents accidental public access and optimizes performance for the device. Toggle mobile hotspot on and watch for the status icon in the notification bar. That confirms broadcasting. On the client device, select the SSID and enter the password you created. If the device connects but has no internet, make sure mobile data is active. If still failing, turn the hotspot off and on again. If problems persist, restart your phone or reset network settings to clear conflicts. These steps resolve most issues quickly while preserving your hotspot configuration for future use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.